Hello everyone, I would like to share a card I did for a coworker. All these papers are from Michaels, except the peach glitter paper is from Joanns. So I cut the papers, so the card measures 5.5 by 5.5, and this is an easel card. So it looks like this. I wrote happy birthday here with a gold gel pen, and this is some trim from Hobby Lobby, and I just cut it in half, so I only used half of the trim. Then I put some gold rhinestones on the top. This is one of the cut aparts, and I backed it up on some gold foil. So this is the card. It's a simple card, but I think it looks very pretty, and I hope you like it, and I'll see you next time. Goodbye.